Hello everyone. Greetings of the day on behalf of Optography. Hopefully you all are safe and following the precautions. We all know that eyes are a very important part of our body. So today I will be discussing about the eye donation. In India, we have estimated about 4.6 million people with corneal blindness that is curable through corneal transplantation made possible by eye donation. The cornea is the clear surface at the front of the eye and the main focusing element. When the cornea becomes cloudy from diseases, injury, infection or any other cause, vision will be drastically reduced. Cornea transplant is the surgical procedure which replaces a disc-shaped segment of an impaired cornea with a similarly shaped piece of healthy donor cornea. More than 90% of the corneal transplantation is carried out successfully and helps us to restore vision in people with corneal blindness. Corneal transplantation in infant born with cloudy cornea can make a very big difference in their lives. Now, what are the facts about eye donation? Eyes can be donated only after death. Eyes must be removed within 4 to 6 hours after death. Eyes can be removed only by a registered medical practitioner. The eye bank team will visit the house of the deceased or the hospital to remove the eyes. Eye removal does not delay the funeral process since the entire procedure takes only 20 to 30 minutes. A small quantity of blood will be drawn to rule out communicable diseases. Eye retrieval does not cause disfigurement. Religions are for eye donation. The identities of both the donor and the recipient are kept confidential. Next, who can donate eyes? Eyes donor could be of any age group or sex. People who wear spectacles, have diabetes, patients with high blood pressure, asthma patients, and those without any communicable diseases can donate eyes. But people with AIDS, hepatitis B and C, rabies, septicemia, acute leukemia, that is blood cancer, tetanus, cholera, and infectious diseases like meningitis and encephalitis cannot donate their eyes. That's it. Hopefully, I was able to convey the needed information about eye donation. This is future optometrist Moutusi Saha, proud to be a part of this optometry fraternity, as well as a proudly dedicated member of Optography. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon of this educational channel. If you have any queries, questions, please share with us in the comment section below. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned.